Hey, this is Michael, and today I'm partnering with Keystone Meats. Keystone Meats is a family-owned business, and they make a variety of canned meats, very high quality, no preservatives. The only thing they add in here other than the meat itself is some salt, a little bit of salt, and they have a 5+ year shelf life. This is very convenient stuff to use. 5+ year shelf life, and this makes meal prep very, very fast and easy when you're in a pinch for time, or if you just want some emergency food supply, Keystone Meats is a great place to look. In the ground beef that I'm using here today, for instance, the ingredients are just beef and sea salt. There's no additives in this. When I look at the can of beef, guess what? Beef and sea salt. When I look at the chicken, what do I see? Chicken and sea salt. These are fully cooked, recipe ready, no preservatives, no water added. You're not getting a bunch of water in there to make it seem like you're getting a pound of meat. Turkey, sea salt, that's it. In the pork, guess what? Pork and sea salt. It's fully cooked, recipe ready, no preservatives, no water added. That is what Keystone Meats are all about. So these are great, high quality products. It just makes your meal preparation a lot faster and easier. Today, I'm going to whip up some macaroni and cheese with beef, ground beef. And the recipe calls for a pound of beef. So let's get started. So here I'm boiling the macaroni. And that's going to take, about 9 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, they say. All right. Time to drain the noodles. And because the ground beef is pre-cooked, all I have to do is add it. So I'm just going to slowly warm this up to proper temperature. And like I said, it's pre-cooked, so we don't have to worry about pan frying. That's why these canned meats are so convenient to use. So basically what we have here is a ready-to-eat meal in about 15 minutes. 9 to 10 of those minutes are just boiling the water with the macaroni in it. And then the rest of it is just draining it and adding the meat and then warming it back up a little bit. Keystone's been in business for 60 years. It's a family company. This would also be a very easy way to make sloppy joes. Find a good recipe and your ground beef is ready to go. You don't have to worry about browning it, any of that. Well, there you have it, macaroni and cheese with ground beef. Thanks to Keystone Meats. Super easy. Bon appetit.